What's the meaning of combative? Combative. Combative.
Combative. Combative. Combative refers to someone or something that is aggressive or ready to fight. This term may be used to describe a person's behavior or demeanor, a conversation or debate, or even a physical altercation or conflict. A combative attitude can lead to confrontations and strife, while a more peaceful approach may lead to greater understanding and cooperation. It's important to consider the potential consequences of being combative in any situation, and to weigh the benefits of standing one's ground against the risk of causing harm or damage.